Hey everyone, happy almost spring. I'm really excited to share with you the March-April issue of Garden Gate magazine. It starts with this cover story on Renee Minrith's garden. It's a front yard that's full of bulbs and it looks so pretty in the spring. So you'll want to be sure and check that out. And then we'll show you 3 ways to get free plants in your garden, and this will help you save money, and so you can spend more on plants at the garden center this year. Also in spring, you'll want to be sure and check out our guide to calculating exactly how many vegetables you need for your garden so you can make the most of your garden space. And we'll show you a whole bunch of beautiful coral bells plants and show you how to grow them this year. And as always, you'll find reader tips, and we'll answer our readers' questions. And we have a really fun quiz in this issue that helps you decide what of the most recent garden design trends best fit with your garden style. If you are a subscriber, you should see this issue in your mailbox pretty soon. And if you're not, you can find it on the newsstand by the end of February.